Please make as much noise as possible for this amazing artist. Y'all make some noise for Niko Rubio! Niko Rubio! Oh, come on, Queen. Yes, 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 yes.
1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2.
Is that good?
2. Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, do some. Zuri Marley. One of my bestest collaborators, we have a song together called Ring Ring that we will perform for you. But first, we're going to do a cover of a favorite of ours. I requested Waiting in Vain, and Zuri agreed. So this next one is our rendition of Waiting in Vain. Please give it up for Zuri. your love. 'Cause when summer is here, I'm still waiting there. Winter is here, and I'm still waiting there. It's been 3 years since I'm knocking on your door, and I still can knock some more. Ooh, girl, is it feasible? I wanna know now, for I to knock some more. You see, in life there's lots of grief, but your love is my relief. Oh, tears in my eyes burn, tears in my eyes burn, while I'm waiting for my turn. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. Sing! I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain. No, no, I don't wanna wait in vain. No, no, Okay, we have one last one for you. And this is our song together. That, guess what? The one and only did keys on. Give it up. He's right here. On our live recording. Please give it up for the band. Okay, this is our last one. This is called Ring Ring. One more time. We're just getting